Welcome to Forjinn AI. Today in Forjinn AI, without using any single line of code, let's build a customer support agent. So first of all, select Chat Flows. In the Chat Flows, let's create our customer support agent. Now click the Add New button and save our chat flow as the customer support agent. Now our chat flow is saved. Now through our Add Nodes button in the Chat Models menu, let's select our chat model as ChatOpenRouter and drag it to our chat flow. Now let's connect our credential through ChatOpenRouter API and let's set the model name as OpenAI and let the temperature be 0.2. Now in the Add Nodes button through the Agents menu, let's select our agent as Tools Agent and drag it to our chat flow. Now, let's add a memory to our chat flow. Click the Add Nodes, and through the Memory menu, select Buffer Window Memory and drag it to our chat flow. Now, let's connect everything in our chat flow and save it. To provide our desired answers to our customers, let's create our desired question and answers in a document and connect it to our chatbot. Now, let's see how to set up documents and connect it to our chat flow. Now move on to Document Store and click Add Documents. Name the document store as Oak and Barrel and click Add. Now Oak and Barrel Documents Store is created. Now click that and select Add Documents. In the document loader, first of all, let's select Doc File. In the Doc File, click the Upload File option and upload your desired documents. In the Preview Chunks, we can see the entire content in our uploaded document, but we can see that the entire content were as a whole chunk. In Forjinn AI, it is possible to divide it into separate chunks. For that, select Recursive Character Text Splitter. Now, if we click Preview, we can see the separate chunks. Now select Process and select Add Document Loader. In the document loader now, let's select CSV file. After selecting CSV file, click Uploaded File and upload your desired CSV file. Now, by clicking Preview Chunks, we can see that document is already as a separate chunks because it is a CSV file. We need to separate it. Now click the process. We can now see our uploaded desired documents. Now click the More Actions and select Upsert All Chunks. Now select Embeddings and choose our provider as the Azure OpenAI Embeddings and connect the credential through our Azure OpenAI Embeddings API. Now click the Select Vector Store and choose our provider as the Pinecone and connect the credential through the Pinecone API. And set the name of Pinecone Index as Forjinn and set the Pinecone namespace as Oak and Barrel. Now let's save the config and click the Upsert. Now our desired documents will be upserted in the Forjinn AI. Now let's move on to our customer support agent chat flow. Now in the Add Nodes through the Tools menu, select Retrieval Tool and drag it to our chat flow. Now in the Add Nodes through the Vector Stores, let's select Document Stores and drag it to our chat flow. Now in the Retriever tool, let's select the retriever name as the OpenRouter API and customize our retriever description as return document related to oak and barrel and the menu. Now let's connect everything and set in the document store. Let's select the store as the oak and barrel. That's it. Our chat flow for customer support agent is created. Now let's save our chat flow and let's see how our chatbot is working. In our chatbot, let's type list the items in the menu and let's see how it's responding. Our chatbot for customer support agent is created without writing any line code.